Hello guys, my name is Canon and today I'm going to answer a simple question that most of you have been asking or maybe you've been asking yourself. And the question is, do you need a university degree to be a programmer or a degree in computer science, in IT, in anything to do with programming to be a programmer? And the answer to that question is no. You don't need to have a university degree to be a web developer, a software engineer, or a programmer. What you need to have is passion and someone to guide you on where to start. Most of you don't know where to start because you've never interacted with machines, you've never done anything to do with computers or programming. But today I'm going to show you where you can start to be a web developer. Being a web developer means you can create cool websites, you can create POS systems, you can create uh, cloud servers and stuff. You can create anything from something like Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, TikTok. You can create anything. So with that said, you can create such a website as the one you can see, the Canon Technologies. This is my website where you can also get codes, free generated codes from my tutorials, and you can see what I do in this website. So the next thing that I'll tell you is what you need to have is a good laptop, a good computer, something that can do programming. That means something that that is not lagging. Yeah, while coding, you don't need something that's dragging you behind. So you need a very good machine. I'll go for a MacBook, but if you don't have a MacBook, you can have a Windows, HP with at least a minimum of i5, Core i5, and something like that. But to be a programmer, the first thing you need to do is know what you want to learn. If you want to be a web developer, the first thing you need to have is a text editor. In front of me, I have so many text editors. We are from Vim, Sublime Text, Atom, Brackets, Notepad++, Visual Studio Code. It's up to you to decide which text editor that you want to use. For me, I prefer Visual Studio Code. For you, you can use any as you start, but in future you can search for the best text editor that fits your needs. So, and then maybe if you want to download Visual Studio Code like the one I'm using, you can go to their official website. You can just search here, just search in your browser Visual Studio Code, and you'll go to the official website, which is code.visualstudiocode.com, and you can download here for Mac, for Windows, for Linux, any platform or any operating system that you're using. And then if it's something like Sublime Text or Atom, you can go also to the official website, which is sublimetext.com or atom.io. You can use any text editor that you want. And the reason as to why I like Visual Studio Code, it has a very good uh, auto-completion extension. Anything you type can be automatically generated. It's and then it compiles so many languages from Python, from PHP. I've tried so many languages using Visual Studio Code, and actually I can say it's one of the best text editors that I would advise. For me, in the tutorials that I'll be creating for beginners, for web programming beginners, I'll be using Visual Studio Code. So it's advisable you can download Visual Studio Code so that you can see what you'll be seeing in the video. So with that said, please subscribe, like, and stay tuned for my next episode, the next episode will be doing beginner coding from HTML, Bootstrap, and JavaScript. And with that said, see you guys next time.